Hello, today I'm going to show you an unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to battery types. And these are rechargeable batteries by HiQuick. Here it comes. We have here AA rechargeable batteries with 2800 mAh, 1.2 volt, high capacity and long-lasting pre-charge NIMH, low self-discharge AA batteries. And it is a pack of 4. Or you can buy more. That means you can buy 8, no problem. And here it comes, the HiQuick 8-bay battery. Awesome thing is that here comes the device with it. It is a battery charger you will need, of course, to reload these rechargeable batteries. But what is NIMH? The NIMH isn't standard. NIMH is nickel metal hydride battery. NIMH. This is a type of rechargeable battery. The chemical reaction at the positive electrode is similar to that of the nickel-cadmium cell. This was or is the NICD, but this is not an NICD. It is an NIOH, an NIMH, or an NIMH itself. With both using nickel oxide hydroxide. However, the negative electrodes use a hydrogen-absorbing alloy instead of cadmium. NIMH batteries can have 2 or 3 times the capacity of NICD batteries of the same size, with significantly higher energy density, although much less than lithium-ion batteries. They are typically used as a substitute for similar shaped non-rechargeable alkaline batteries, as they feature a slightly lower but generally compatible cell voltage and are less prone to leaking and explosion. Over discharge is not good for them, okay? Complete discharge of multiple cell packs can cause reversive polarity in one or more cells, which can permanently damage them. This situation can occur in the common range of 4 AA cells in series in a digital camera, for example, where one completely discharged before the others due to the small difference in capacity among the cells. When this happens, the good cell starts to drive the discharge cell into reverse polarity. But if you're going to use a good recharging system, this can recharge your battery. But you have to take care. And some cameras, GPS receivers, and PDAs detect the safe end of discharge voltage of the series cells and perform an auto shutdown. So, you see, modern devices can handle this problem over discharge. Then, historically, NIMH cells have had a somewhat higher self-discharge rate than NICD cells. The self-discharge rate varies greatly with temperature, where lower storage temperature leads to slower discharge and longer battery life. The self-discharge is 5 up to 20% on the first day and stabilized around 0.5 up to 4% per day at room temperature. But at 45 degrees Celsius, it is approximately 3 times as high. So, we have a low self-discharge. This is our LSD NIMH. Has a significantly lower rate of self-discharge. The innovative was introduced in 2005. So you can see it is a new technology here on these batteries. And this helps this battery not so fast to discharge. But take care, don't drive them too low. And don't throw them into fire, of course. And you can see it is an AAA battery size. This is the AAA. The AAA is not the best battery out there. It is a standard size of dry cell batteries, One or more AAA batteries are commonly used in low-drain portable electronic devices. And by HiQuick comes the AAA with 1100 mAh and the AA batteries with 2800 mAh. That means there's more capacity in there, which will help us a longer battery life. And the AA is the AA battery. This is standard size single cell cylinder dry batteries. The IAC 600H6 system calls the size R6, and AA batteries are commonly in portable electronic devices. An AA battery is composite of a single electrochemical cell that may be either a primary battery, disposable, or a rechargeable battery, like here. Several different chemistries are used in their construction. The exact terminal voltage, capacity, and practical discharge rates depend on the cell chemistries. However, devices designed for AA cells will usually only take 1.2 up to 1.5 volt. Here it comes with 1.2 voltage, unspecified by the manufacturers. And here, this is a rechargeable battery, and it will work with 1.2 volt. This is okay. You can use them everywhere where you can attach a AA battery or an AAA battery. It's no problem for it. But it's better for the planet because you can recharge them. But take care, look for a recharging device which has an overheating protection, over voltage protection, and discharge protection, of course. And for this, HiQuick comes with a good reloading device on the market too. No problem for it. These are HiQuick AAA and AA. So we have here AAA and AA batteries, rechargeable batteries on the market. Easy because there are a plus and a minus pole. That means the plus pole is with the nipples and the minus pole is the flat area. Take care of it, get that into the device, and the device will rock you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.